Think of your credit report as your financial report card, a mirror reflecting your money habits, both good and bad, for the world to see. It tells lenders, landlords, and sometimes even employers how you handle money, whether you're responsible or risky, and if you can be trusted with financial commitments. Your report reveals your borrowing history and payment habits. Essentially, it's your financial DNA, showing patterns that can predict your future behavior. A strong credit report opens doors. You'll qualify for lower interest rates, easier mortgages, better car loans, and even more affordable insurance. It can make big dreams possible, but a poor report? It can slam those doors shut or make everything cost more, sometimes much more, than it should. Late payments are glaring red flags, warning future lenders that you might not pay them back on time. Student loans are a big deal too. Large balances can worry lenders, even if you pay on time, because they affect your overall debt load and ability to take on new credit. Your credit report tells your financial story to everyone who needs to know, sometimes before you even meet them. This is your wake-up call. Take control of your financial story, starting today. You have the right to understand your report, fix errors, and take steps to improve your financial picture, no matter where you're starting from. It won't be instant, but with steady effort and commitment, real change is possible. You have the power to make these changes. No one else can do it for you. Let's get started on making your credit report shine, so you can unlock the opportunities you deserve. Are you ready to do the work and take charge of your financial destiny? Your financial future depends on the choices you make now. Don't leave it to chance. Don't ignore what your report is telling you. Face it head-on and use it as a tool for growth. Every decision you make now shapes your opportunities later, from buying a home to landing your dream job. Take ownership, know what's in your report, and use that knowledge to your advantage. This is your chance to build a better financial life. Let's begin your journey to a brighter future. Late payments are the biggest threat to your credit score. Just one can drop your score by 30 points or more. The later the payment, the worse the damage. Lenders see late payments as a sign you might not pay them back. They hate risk. Late payments make you a bad bet. Student loans are another major factor. Large balances affect your debt-to-income ratio, making lenders nervous. Defaulted student loans are a disaster, staying on your report for years. These issues make borrowing more expensive or impossible. Understanding this is the first step to fixing your credit. Now you know why these things matter so much. We need a clear plan to address them. No more waiting, let's take action. Manage your payments and loans responsibly. Knowledge is power, use it to your advantage. Don't let these score killers hold you back. Take control and start improving today. Your financial health depends on it. You need to see your credit report, no exceptions. Get your free report from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion at annualcreditreport.com. Don't pay for it. It's your right to get one free each year. Make this a yearly habit, like a financial checkup. Check your personal information for errors: name, address, social security number. Identity theft is real. Accuracy matters. Review every account and late payment listed. Sometimes lenders or bureaus make mistakes. Carefully check your student loan details too. Make a list of any errors you find. No mistake is too small. Gather proof: payment records, bank statements, letters from lenders. This documentation is your evidence for disputes. Being organized now saves headaches later. Your action plan starts with knowing what's on your report. Don't skim, be thorough. This is your first step to financial control. Found an error? Time to fight it. Mistakes on your credit report can cost you money, opportunities, and peace of mind, so it's important to act quickly and decisively. Dispute incorrect items directly with the credit bureaus or the lender. You can do this online, by mail, or even over the phone, but written disputes are often best for your records. This is your right under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which protects you from unfair or inaccurate reporting. Write a clear letter explaining the error and include copies of your proof, such as statements, receipts, or correspondence that support your claim. Send it by certified mail and keep all records. This creates a paper trail and ensures your dispute is taken seriously. The bureau must investigate, usually within 30 days. Mark your calendar and follow up if you don't hear back in time. If they find an error, they must correct or delete it. Review the results carefully and make sure all mistakes are fully addressed. If the error is identity theft or a serious mix-up, dispute it immediately. These cases can have major consequences if left unresolved. You may need to file a police report and notify the FTC. Taking these extra steps helps protect your identity and strengthens your case. Be persistent and thorough. Don't give up until it's resolved. Keep detailed notes of every call, letter, and response you receive. Your financial health is worth the effort. A clean credit report can open doors to better rates and more opportunities. Keep copies of everything you send and receive. Staying organized will make the process smoother and less stressful. Don't let companies ignore your rights. If you feel you're being treated unfairly, escalate your complaint or seek legal advice. Stand up for your financial future. Taking action now can prevent bigger problems later. Every correction helps your credit. Even small fixes can make a big difference over time. Take action as soon as you spot a problem. The sooner you start, the easier it is to resolve. You can win this battle. Stay vigilant, stay organized, and protect your financial future. When talking to lenders or bureaus, be professional and persistent. Keep detailed records of every call, who you spoke to, what was said, and the date. Follow up important calls with a summary letter. Always get promises in writing. For late payments, try a goodwill letter if you have a good history. Sometimes creditors will remove a late mark as a courtesy. With student loan servicers, be clear and concise about your issue. Provide proof upfront if it's their error. If you're struggling, ask about deferment, forbearance, or income-driven repayment plans. Don't ignore your servicers. Engage with them. Stay calm and stick to the facts. Clearly state what you want to resolve the issue. Keep copies of all correspondence. Patience and persistence are key. You are your own best advocate. Fight for your financial well-being. You can do this. If the debt is real, you can't erase it, but you can manage it. Denial leads to deeper trouble. Face the facts and make a plan. Negative marks hurt less as they age and fall off after 7 years. Focus on making all future payments on time. Build a new positive payment history. Recent good behavior matters most. For student loans, contact your servicer if you can't afford payments. Explore income-driven repayment plans for federal loans. Don't ignore your loans. The government can garnish wages and seize tax refunds. Take action before it gets worse. Consider debt consolidation or a nonprofit credit counseling agency if needed. Be cautious with for-profit debt settlement companies. Do your homework before signing up for anything. Get help from trusted sources, not quick-fix schemes. There are no shortcuts. Real financial health takes work. Smart decisions now lead to a better future. Take responsibility and move forward. You can recover from past mistakes. Start today. Can't remove every negative item? Don't give up. Even if your credit history isn't perfect, you still have the power to make a difference. Many people face setbacks, but what matters most is how you move forward from here. You can rebuild your credit with time and discipline. It's a journey, not a sprint, and every positive action you take adds up. Remember, small changes in your daily habits can lead to big improvements over time. Focus on what you can control, starting now. Set realistic goals for yourself and track your progress along the way. Celebrate each milestone no matter how small. Pay all your bills on time: rent, utilities, credit cards, loans. On-time payments are the single most important factor in your credit score, so make them a top priority. Set up automatic payments or reminders to avoid late payments. Use technology to your advantage. Calendar alerts, banking apps, and payment tools can help you stay on track. Keep credit card balances low. Aim for less than 30% of your limit, ideally under 10%. High balances can drag your score down, so pay attention to your spending and keep your utilization in check. Pay down balances aggressively or make multiple payments each month. Even small extra payments can make a big difference over time, reducing interest and boosting your score. Don't open too many new accounts quickly. Too many hard inquiries can hurt your score. Be selective and only apply for credit when you truly need it. If you have little or damaged credit, consider a secured credit card or becoming an authorized user on someone else's card, if they have good credit. These options can help you build positive history safely. Be careful. Someone else's bad habits can hurt you. Make sure you trust anyone you share credit with, and monitor your accounts regularly for any issues. Slow and steady wins the credit race. Building credit is a marathon, not a sprint, so be patient and persistent. Responsible habits build your score over time. Each month you make good choices, your credit profile gets stronger. Don't dwell on past mistakes. Look forward. Every positive step counts, and it's never too late to start fresh. Your future self will thank you. The effort you put in today will pay off in the months and years ahead. Make good credit your new normal. Stay consistent and patient, and soon these habits will become second nature. Improvement is possible for everyone. No matter your starting point, you can take control and start building today. Your credit comeback begins now. Take the first step and watch your financial future grow brighter with every decision you make. Meet Maria, a recent grad with late payments hurting her score. Landlords hesitated to rent to her. She got her credit reports, found an error, and disputed it with proof. The bureau removed the mistake and her score jumped 20 points. One action made a real difference. Then there's David. He defaulted on a student loan from a school he didn't finish. His credit was trashed. He couldn't get a car loan or phone plan. He contacted the Department of Education and entered a loan rehabilitation program. After 9 months of on-time payments, his loan was out of default and his score improved. Maria and David took action and saw results. They faced their credit problems head-on. You can do this too. Proactive steps lead to real change. Don't hide from your credit issues. Fix them. Their stories can be your story. It works if you work it. Take the first step today. Your success story starts now. Your credit report isn't set in stone. It reflects your actions. You have the power to improve it over time. This guide gave you the tools and steps. Now it's up to you to take action. Get your free credit reports and check for errors. Dispute inaccuracies, manage debts, and build positive habits. Be patient. Small, consistent steps lead to big results. Imagine a future with good credit. Lower rates, more options, less stress. Good credit helps you achieve dreams. Buying a home, starting a business, building security. There's no better time than now to start. Today can be your turning point. Take control of your credit and your future. You're approved to learn, grow, and succeed. Go make it happen. You deserve a healthy financial life. Claim it. Every step you take matters. Don't wait for tomorrow. Your financial freedom starts today. I believe in you. Let's build your brighter future together. Start now.